Today in this video, we will see how to change music or a background music for a particular memory in your iPhone photo application. If you see some memories your iPhone creates by using your current photos from your gallery, also adds the default music. So now a particular memory, if you like it, so now how to change the music for it? Do one thing very easy. First of all, open the memory. Go ahead, open the memory, and for now, just pause it. Once you pause it, now the next step. If you see, once you pause it, below there is an icon called music icon. Just go ahead and tap on that. Once you tap on that, now if you see, if you swipe it, there are some basic themes or styles available to you or a filters. So now that you don't do, here below there is a music icon with a plus sign. Okay, go ahead and tap on a music icon with a plus sign. Tap on that, and here is your music gallery. Some are paid one from Apple Music, above are free one for you. Okay, go ahead, choose your own favorite music, tap on that, and click on done. Once you do it, that particular music will be added to your memory on an iPhone instantly in the Photos application. So guys, like that you can change the music, background music for your memories on an iPhone Photos application. So I hope you found the video helpful. I hope it was a helpful video for you. And if yes, please like the video and subscribe. Until then, thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care. See you in the next video.